Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to go over the first Alt hotkey shortcut. Previous video I just briefly introduced the Alt hotkey. Simply by pressing the Alt key brings up all of your hotkeys or initial hotkeys up in the Excel ribbon. And once you learn this method, your improvement in Excel and efficiency in Excel with working with spreadsheets is going to jump drastically. I know, and I started using this probably close to 10 years ago, maybe 8 to 10 years ago. And if you work in Excel every day, it is extremely beneficial. But you have to keep at it every day. It's usually pretty slow in the beginning, but once you keep using it every single day, you'll greatly improve your effectiveness and efficiency in Excel. So the first one we're going to go over today is just simply inserting rows. So for the most part, and I'm going to keep it very simple, let's just say you have some numbers in the first row, and for some reason you want to insert a row between 2 and 3. Simply what you would do, and the great thing about this is for the most part your hands never leave the keyboard. So what are you doing? You're improving your speed with Excel. So I'm going to go real slow here so you see each step. So Alt, and if you're familiar you'll notice over here you have your inserts. So you're still on the home tab up in the ribbon in Excel. So if you hit H, it brings up all of your hotkeys in the home tab. So we're going to hit I next for insert. And you'll notice that a lot of these just make natural sense. H for home, I for insert, click I, insert sheet rows, R rows, hit R, and it automatically does it for you. So when you get quick enough and you'll just naturally remember what these Alt hotkey shortcuts are just in your head because you use it so much. So I'm just going to do another shortcut, Control Z for undo. Control the letter Z undoes. So this time I'm going to go at my speed. You're not even going to see the hotkeys pop up, and it's done. If you want to insert 2 rows, hold down the Shift button, hit the up arrow key, Alt H-I-R, and you're done. Didn't even have to move my hand to the mouse to do that. So I'm going to type it out right here. You can hit the Alt key, the I, and then the R. You don't have to hold down these keys. You just type like you're typing on a keyboard. So appreciate it, guys. I'm going to try and do these once a day or every other day or so just to help improve your efficiency in Excel. So appreciate it, guys. Click the like button if you like this video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So we'll see you guys later.